small and a quick recap on the concepts which we had covered in our last few days of our session. So yeah, from last nearly 3 to 4 days onwards, we've been discussing about collection framework. We know why we need to go to collections. Already we are having array concept is there, and we know that map is not the child interface for collection. Guys, there is a reason. Every day I am saying this. Map is not the child interface. Map is not the child interface. Remember that. Why I am saying this? Because whatever the methods which are present in collection interface, those methods we cannot use for map. That is completely another interface. Anyways, whenever that concept comes, that is Monday, we will be discussing about that map also. All right. So yes, we started discussing about list. Uh, by the way, what is the difference between list set to queue and map? List allows duplicates, set does not allow duplicates, and in queue elements will be stored in the form of first in first out order, and in map data will be stored in the form of key value pairs. We know that. So we on first day we started with array list. We tried to work with array list. After that we discussed about linked list, vector, and yesterday we discussed about hash set and linked hash set also. I requested you to pass a user defined class object. Did you do that? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, guys, every day I am saying this. Pass a user defined class object into collection class and retrieve it back. Why I am saying this every day, in our coming projects, I mean to say in advanced Java or else in your Spring, generally in real time projects, we will pass a class object, user defined class object into collections. We will not pass int, byte, short, long. No. We will pass entirely a class object into collections and we'll try to retrieve the data back. Okay. Basically, we can sort the data also. That concept also we'll discuss. Maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm going to discuss that next week, Tuesday or Wednesday. So, in order to understand that concept, how to sort the data which is present in user defined classes, you should be having a proper idea about how to pass normal user defined class object and retrieve it back. That is the only reason every day I am saying. Kindly please make sure to do that. Am I clear with that? Okay. Now let me just try to get back here. So yesterday we discussed about asset and linked asset. So today let's start with tree set. After that we'll discuss about queue. Shall we? Void method one system.out.println implementing implementing tree set, implementing tree set. Okay. Now here new tree set. Just a second. New tree set, and I'm going with the object equal to ts belongs to tree set, just like this, and I'm going with obj object. Okay. Now, yeah, ts dot add, just let me try to go this data one more. First, INSER insertion order is. After that, heterogeneous heterogeneous data is. After that, null and oh, first let me just try to change this. I'll go with the Java. Let me just try to go with the null, duplicate values, some char, some, okay, and just like this, any other data. So yeah, null value is. After that, DUPLICAT. Duplicates are, you need to help me here. Duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. After that, it is AVA, ILA, BLE available from Java 1.2 version. After that, its default CAPA CITY capacity is, can you guess? 5? No. Just guess it. Tell me a number. Any number, just tell me a number. 16 less than 16. 10 less than 10. 5 less than 5. 0. Default capacity for tree set is 0. There will not be any default capacity. The size increases by double. Every time the size increases by double. Here, its size increases by double, but there is no capacity. The default capacity for tree set is 0. Kindly please do remember that. After that, it is not synchronized. It is not synchronized. Okay, let me just system.out.println. I'm trying to print my tree set, main main method. Now inside my main method, I'm going to create an object new class a dot method one. So what do you think? Insertion order will be maintained or not? Just guess. Just guess. Insertion order will be maintained or not? Not maintained? Okay, let's find out. Sir, leave insertion order. We are getting an exception. Read the name of the exception. Class cached exception. Guys, preset does not allows heterogeneous data. Preset allows only homogeneous data. Sir, you said that collection classes will accept heterogeneous data. I said almost all. I never said all the collection classes. I said almost all the collection classes will allow heterogeneous data. But when you're speaking about tree set, no, that is not possible. Heterogeneous data is, tell me, not allowed. ALLOWED. Sir, why? Why heterogeneous data is not allowed? Yeah, we'll discuss. Just let me try to change this to some integer values. I'm just trying to make it to some integer values. I'm keeping all integer. Is that clear? Okay. Now, at least now tell me, insertion will be maintained or not? Not maintained? Let's execute. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, enter. Again, we got an exception. What is that? Tree set does not allows null value also. Okay? Kindly please do remember this. Just null value is not allowed. Finally, third time is a charm. Let's execute for third time. Right click, run as Java application. Sir, am I going to get the output right now? 100%. 100% you will be getting your output. Don't expect insertion order. Insertion order will not be maintained, but tell me, insertion order will not be maintained, but sorting. Sorting order will be maintained. Tree set uses balanced binary search tree algorithm to sort the data. As, as in tree set, the data will be sorted ascending order. Heterogeneous data is not allowed. If heterogeneous data is there, for example, integer and character and string and boolean is there, how it is supposed to sort the data? That's not possible. Am I clear with that? That is the only reason tree set does not allows heterogeneous data. It allows only homogeneous data and the data will be sorted. Sir, I have a doubt. If I am passing string value, then how the data will be sorted? Dictionary order, lexicographical order. You know, dictionary order is there, na? In the same order. The data will be sorted in the same order. Am I clear with that? So here, insertion order is, please tell me, insertion order is not MAIN TA insertion order is not maintained, but SOR not dot SOR sorting order is MAINTA maintained. Sorting order is maintained. To be precise, ascending order. Just let me try to keep it like this. Sorting order is maintained. Here see an ascending order. Okay, okay. Now here, yes, insertion order is not maintained. Erroneous data is not allowed. Null value is not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. I believe it's clear, guys. Okay. All right. Now I have a small question. I want you to retrieve the data in a descending order. I want you to retrieve. Okay. First, retrieve the data in ascending order. Ascending order. System.out.println is just RETRI retrieving the data in is ascending ORDR order. Please tell me, guys. Say loudly. For each column. Okay, we can go with it, but I advise OBJCT object. We can go with it, but I advise object. After that, TS. Now, system.out.print. Oh, just a small space. Right click, run as Java application. Yep, happily I'll be able to get my data in a ascending order. Retrieving, wait. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, retrieving the data in a ascending order. Now I want to retrieve the data in a descending order. Retrieving the data in a descending order. Tell me the code. Any ideas? Tell me. Don't think. Just tell me. What's your idea? Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. You know we cannot use for loop. Why we cannot use for loop? There is no index positions. Do you remember? Yesterday only I told you index position is not there. Hey, sir, no, yaar. So we cannot use for loop. So then how to retrieve this? We'll do one thing, sir. Let me just try to take an array list. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is int object, right? Objct object equal to equal to al belongs to array list belongs to array list, and here also object object object. And now you need to, oh, we need to pass the parameter, right? That is impressed. Very good. Let me just try to go like TS. Now tell me, retrieve the data in a reverse order. List iterator al dot list iterator al here al dot size. Do you remember this? I want to try the data in a reverse order. Al, oh, not last index. Just let me try to go like al dot list iterator equal to li belongs to list iterator. Okay, here also object. Tell me after that, while, please go ahead. While, while li dot, li dot has previous. After that, system dot out dot print li dot previous. Just a small space. Am I able to? I use coverage. Oh, just a second. Right click, Run as Java application. Am I able to retrieve the data in a descending order? Okay. Online students, I guess you are following me, guys. If possible, kindly please message me in the chat. Online students, please message me in the chat. Please message me in the chat. Yes. Right. Now, Varun, you're asking how it started from last element. Did you remember how list iterator will work, Varun? If you remember list iterator on linked list, I told you here, if we are not giving the parameter, am I going to get the data like this? Absolutely not. Kindly please do revise, Varun. Then you will be able to understand. Okay. Oh, this is descending. D, just a second. DESCN. Okay. Descending order. Right click, run as Java application. Thank you. It's just a typo, Aish. Thank you. All right. Now, yeah, we can retrieve the data like this. But the problem here is it's not a problem. We need to create one more array list, completely separate collection class we need to create. I repeat, if we want to retrieve the data in a descending order, we need to create completely another collection list. To be precise, it may be array list or linked list or vector. But instead of doing this, there is one more way to retrieve the data. That is, let me use iterator. Let me use iterator on tree set. If I want to use iterator, what I need to use? TS dot iterator. TS dot iterator I need to use. What is its return type? What is its return type? Iterator. Okay, and here I'm going with object. Instead of using iterator, I want you to use descending iterator. This special method is available only for preset. Whenever you are using descending iterator, it will work as a mirror image for iterator. If you are using iterator method, where will be our cursor? Starting position. Whenever you are using descending iterator, our cursor will be in the last. You can use the same as next and same next methods. Same as next and same next. But the data will be retrieved from the reverse order. Why? Because we are actually descending. Am I clear with that? Tell me the code. Tell me the code. While I dot has next system dot out dot print I dot next. Just let me try to give a small. Oh, sorry. Just let me try to give a small space. Right click, run as Java application. Am I able to retrieve the data? So this we already know. This method is available only for preset. Kindly please do remember that. Okay. Now I just want to show you two more methods also. System.out.print. I'm going to use head set method. ts dot headset, and I'm giving something like 10. Okay, the method name itself is headset. And one more method, instead of head, now I'm going to use tail. Two methods I want to show. First one is headset method. Second one is tail set. Let's see what we will be getting our output for headset method. Return type for headset method is set. Return type for headset method is set. Now let's execute. Right click, run as Java application. I'm sorry. all the elements which are less than the specified element will be retrieved. Sorted, sorted set. Here, one more time. I gave 10, right? I gave 10. All the elements which are less than the specified element will be retrieved. You need to respond, guys. For example, if I give 25, don't look at this one. Look at our tree set. Yes or no? For example, if I am giving 25, now tell me what will be my output? 1, 6, 9, 10. Right click, run as. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now, for example, let's try to deal with tail set. Tell me what will be your output, tail set. Just guess. You are looking at headset. You are looking at headset. Now tell, okay, for example, if I'm using headset method, this is my output. I'm using 10. Now I'm using tail set method. Tell me what is my output. 25? No. Along with 10, till the end of your tree set will be retrieved. Till the end. Till the end. Am I clear with this? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. Please respond. Please respond. Feel free to respond in the chat. Along with 10, along with 10, till the end of your tree set will be retrieved. So this is tail set method. This is head set method. I believe it's clear, guys. Kindly please have this program in your notes. Yeah, fine. No worries. Please. Voice off the cooler. You need off the cooler. It's disturbance. See, if we off the cooler, how relaxed this is. Can I scroll up to line number 23? Yes. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me the chat. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. And just think, no, not think. Try to pass user-defined class object into tree set also. Okay. Make sure to pass user-defined class object into tree set. If you're not passing, I'll be able to know by Monday. No, seriously, I'll be able to understand. If you're not doing this task, 100% I'll understand by Monday. There is a reason why I'm asking you to pass, right? So kindly please try to pass user-defined class object into tree set and just try to retrieve it back. Okay? Dot. Is it complete, guys, for everyone? Now, anyone writing? Anyone writing? Writing? Please write. Write. Please write. No problem. So our next topic is queue. We know that in queue, data will be stored in the form of first in, first out order. I'll show you that right now. Wait for it. But my question is, you know, in list interface also, we are having linked list. In list interface we are having linked list. In queue interface also we are having linked list. Let me just try to open that, please. Okay. Now, in list, we are having linked list. In queue, also we are having linked list. What is the difference between these two? Okay, we'll figure it out. Let me just try to get back here. Buddy, is it completed? Okay. Now, let me remove all this. Implementing queue interface. Okay, okay. New linked list. New linked list. Okay. Now, equal to li belongs to list equal to ll belongs to linked list. Right. I want you to kindly please observe line number 12, line number 14, and tell me at which line I will be getting an error. Line number 14. Line number 14 will be, oh, just a second. Let me try to. Now tell me. In which line I'll be getting an error? In line number 14, am I going to get any error? In line number 14, am I going to get any error? Absolutely not. Come on, guys. What is happening there? We are creating a linked list object and holding that with linked list reference. What's wrong in that? In line number 12, am I going to get any error? Yes or no? Did you remember inheritance key points? 4 key points I told you. In those 4 key points, what is the second key point? What is the second key point? We can hold one more time. One more time. Tell me. We can hold child class object with a parent class reference. Yes or no? Now, what is happening here? What is happening here? We are holding a child class object with a parent reference. Of course, it's not a class, it's an interface. Basically, parent interface. Absolutely correct. 100% correct. Both are correct. Am I clear with this? Tell me. Then, what is the difference between these two statements? Okay. Guys, li dot add some 10, li dot offer some 20. I'm writing like this. Now here also I'm going to use ll dot add some 10. Okay. And here ll dot offer offer some 20 I have given like this. Okay. Now listen. Did you remember length method which is present in string? Length method. Come on. The same length method is also present in string buffer and string builder also. Means what I want to say is there is a chance that both the classes will have same method name, right? Now, add method, listen to me very clearly, guys. Add method is basically present in collection interface. It is also present in list interface. What is the use of add method? Adding the element into the collection class. Yes or no? Exactly like that. In queue interface, we are having a method to add the element, and that method name is offer. What is the method name? Offer. OFF here, offer. Where is offer method present? Tell me. Queue interface. Where is add method present? List. And you know, add method is also present in collection interface also. Remember that. But in queue, there is this special method known as offer. Okay. It will also exactly work like add method only. Okay. Now listen to me very clearly. From Java 1.5 version onwards, from Java 1.5 version onwards, if you are creating a linked list object and holding that linked list object with linked list reference. One more time. One more time. If you are creating an object for linked list and holding that linked list object with linked list reference, then then your linked list will exhibit both the properties of list and queue. What is the main property for list? Allows duplicates. What is the main property for queue? First in, first out. If you want to allow duplicates and if you want to maintain first in, first out order, then you need to create linked list and hold that linked list with a linked list reference variable. Sir, no, sir, I just want only list properties. Tell me what is the second key point in inheritance? We can hold a child class object with a parent class reference and we will be able to get only the properties of, we'll be able to call only the methods which are present in parent. Did you remember that? So now tell me, where is offer method present? Where is offer method present? Q. If I remove this, am I going to get any error? Yes or no? Absolutely, I'll be getting an error. Means if you want your linked list to exhibit only list properties, then this is the way. If you want to your linked list to get with both list and queue properties, this is the way. That's it, not more than that. Am I clear with this? Please keep assigning as understanding queue interface, understanding queue interface. Remaining all methods, all code is exactly same like previously. You have written your linked list, right? Exactly same like that. I want you to kindly please have this entire slide in your notes for me. Go ahead. Online students, please read the third point correctly. Done? All right. Is it done? Okay. Now, kindly please have this simple program, just simple program. Sir, what is that first in, first out? I will show you that first in, first out by using priority queue so that you'll be easily understanding the concept. Kindly please try to have this in your notes. Is it done? Online students, if complete, kindly please message me in the chat. Ravindra, checkpoint list is exactly same like linked list present in list. The only difference is these two things, which you have already written in your notes. Okay? Exactly same. Exactly same. All right. I guess it's coming guys favor. Now let's try to work with the priority queue. Okay. Implementing priority queue. Okay. Implementing priority queue. Anyone wants to come and write the code? Please tell. You want to come and write the code? Exactly the same code. What is it? Same code, same code. If you want to write, please do let me know. Yes? See, if there is a chance, take it. Don't think like what others will think. Nothing. You know how to write the code. Priority queue. Come, come, come. Yeah, come. Go ahead. Write the code. Create a priority queue. Sit down. Okay. Just go with PQ. Belongs to priority queue. Belongs to priority queue. And you know the reason why we are getting an error. Please give the generic here also. Okay. Wait. Don't go to the error. Don't go to the error. We know the reason why we are getting an error. Why we are getting an error? Every collection class is basically present in which package? Java dot util package. So basically we need to import. Use Control Shift O. Right. So imported. Now, yeah, please go with the normal. No, leave that error. That's not a error. That's a warning. Pass the data. PQ. Don't get confused. PQ dot. Can we use offer method? Can we use offer method? Of course, we can use. Why? Because offer method is present in Q interface. Let's use offer. Pass some value. Okay. Java null duplicate value and some char value, some boolean value. One more. Use add method. Last use, we can use add method also. Can we use add method? Absolutely. Why? Because add method is present in, I'm sorry, collection, collection interface. Oh, okay, fine. No worries. Write the checklist. What is the first one? Insertion order is just next one. Heterogeneous elements HDROG. Okay, heterogeneous data is. After that, no, don't write. Don't write. You don't know whether it is allowed or not. Heterogeneous data. After that, null value is. Don't write null value is. After that, duplicate values are. Duplicate, duplicate DUP, DUP, P for P. Yeah. Duplicate values are allowed actually. We know this. Why? Because what I told you regarding linked list, when I told you about linked list, if you are creating linked list object with linked list and holding that object with linked list reference, I told you it will exhibit both the properties of list and queue. Basically, list allows duplicates, right? So yeah, priority queue also allows duplicates. Duplicates are allowed. Available from Java 1.5 version. Default capacity. Default capacity is guess. I'm sorry. No, not zero. Not zero. One, more than one. More than five. I'm sorry. More than 10. Less than 16. Less than 12. Absolutely. The default capacity is 11. After that, size, yeah, of course, size increases by double. Size increases by double. And it is also not synchronized. Not synchronized. Okay, execute. Right, write the code. Print, print priority queue. Okay, wait. What do you think, guys? Insertion order will be maintained or not? Maintain? Not maintain? Let's execute. Please execute. What happened? Main method is there, na? Please check main method. Did you call main method? Yeah, we are calling. Fine, no issues. Go ahead. Insertion order is, sir, we are getting an exception. What is the name of the exception? Why? Absolutely. Heterogeneous data is not allowed. Not allowed. So kindly please try to change all heterogeneous data except null into integer. No, don't keep in comment. Change. Remove from the comment and try to change the value. Just go with integer. 10 is already there, na? Try to give any other number. 1 is also already there. Okay, fine. Yeah, better. Okay. All right. So, yeah, let's execute for one more time. Save it, execute. Right click, run as Java application. So, null value is absolutely. No, don't keep in comment. Okay, fine. Let's keep this in comment. No problem. Null value is not allowed. Null value is not allowed. All right. Execute. Right click, run as Java application. And tell me, guys, insertion order is maintained or not? But sorting order. Check correctly. Insertion order is not maintained. No, not maintained. But I'm sorry. No, not duplicates. Guys, here the point is in priority queue, insertion order will not be maintained. But always the first element will be the smallest element. Priority will be given for the first element, that is the smallest element. Always, every time, only the first element you can guess. And that first element is the smallest element. Why don't you just change the values and check whether the first element is the smallest element or not? Change one. Okay, fine. No worries. Execute. Always the first element will be the smallest element. Am I clear with that? Now, you know that in Q, first entered element will be coming out first. Yes or no? Now I'll do one thing. Amma, please come to line number 25. System.out.println. double quotes, inside double quotes, peak, P-E-E-K, small p, P-E-E-K, double E-K, P, yeah, A remove A, method, no, method representation, colon, plus, after double quotes, plus, PQ dot, peak, peak, right, wait. What this peak method will do, it is going to remove the first element. If it is removing the first element, means what will be our output? 0. It will remove and return. Remove and return the first element. What is the first element? If 0 is removed, that position will be occupied by the next smallest element. What is that? Why? Print PQ. Print priority queue one more time. We need to check the first element, right? What happened? Oh, we'll do one thing. Wait, my mistake. Do one thing. System out dot println. My mistake. Same. System out dot println. Instead of peak, write pop. Pop. P-O-P. Parenthesis. Small p, please. P-O-P. Plus PQ dot P. Enter P. P. Sorry. Pole. My mistake. Pole. Now, please change that pop to pole. Pop is present in another collection. Okay. Save it. Wait. Whatever I told you previously, that will execute for pole. What peak method will do? Peak method will not remove. It will just return the first element. Pole method will remove and return the first element. And yeah, let's see. Let's execute. Can you see that? Yes, the first element is removed. That position is occupied by the next smallest element. Exactly same like pole method. Remove method also will work. Right, remove method. System.out.println. Same. Remove parenthesis colon PQ dot remove plus PQ dot remove. Same guys. What? Okay. Right now, what is our output? Tell me. If we execute right now, what will be our output? Tell me. 2. Yes or no? The first element will be removed. Execute. And the 2 will be occupied by the next smallest element. What is the next smallest element? 10. Please, PQ, let's execute. Can you see that? But here the question is, sir, what is the difference? Okay, 3, sit down. 3 variables are there with the same value 10. Try to change 25, something like 85. Now execute, please. Save it. Execute. Better. Okay. Now here the question is, sir, pole method and remove method will doing exactly the same work. What is the use? Okay, sit down. Clear all the elements first. Clear. No, not like that. Come on, come on. Come down. Come down, come down. In line number, after line number 30. After line number 30, there is a method to clear. Literally, the method name itself is clear. Use pq dot clear. If you are using pq dot clear, what happens? What happens? All the elements which are present in our priority queue will be removed, right? Uh, no, you cannot write pq dot clear inside system out or println. Why? Because that is a void method. You will be getting an error. Just write pq dot clear. Okay. Now copy line number 27 and line number 29. Copy line number 27 and paste it in line number 33. Same. Paste line number 29 also. Copy paste line number 29. Now please keep line number 34 in comment. You know what poll method will do. What poll method will do? It will remove the first element. Right now, are there any elements present in my priority queue? No. Execute. What is the output? We are getting null. Please keep line number 33 in comment and execute line number 34. What is the output? We will be getting an exception. No such element, exception. So according to requirements, if we need null value, if we want to use null value, null is a value, we can use that null value in conditions also. Yes or no? So according to your project requirements, if you need to use null, then you need to use poll method. Otherwise, if you need an exception, you can use remove method. Remaining everything is exactly the same, right? Could you please work with this iterator also here? I'm asking you, can you please do that? Yes or no? Do one thing. Please keep line number 32 and 34 in comment. 32 and 34 in comment. 32. Yeah. Use iterator to retrieve the data. Use iterator to retrieve the data. Please start writing the code. You know the code. Start writing the code. Others. O capital. Execute. If you are giving like this, remove ln. Remove ln. Now execute. Done. That's it. Thank you. Good job. Please. After this, I have a small task for you. If complete, can you please inform? I just want to give a small task, very, very simple task. Is it done? Okay. Now, task. Ayush, sir, is there any Java schedule tomorrow? No, 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 no. It's not scheduled. Tomorrow there is no class. Relax. Happily we can complete by next week. No problem. Okay. Now, see, right from starting of collections, I am saying collections is not hard. It is confusing. Do you remember that? Open a new page. Turn your books to landscape mode. Turn your books to landscape mode. Be fast. Be fast. Done? Okay. Complete these blanks. Start. Don't discuss. Don't discuss. Don't turn your pages. Complete this right now. Don't discuss. Don't turn your pages.